The steering wheel on your Genesis is designed to provide you with the ability to control many features on your vehicle. The audio controls allow you to control the volume as well as the track or station you are listening to. Scrolling up or down on the volume wheel will increase or decrease volume. Pressing the button in the center will mute the volume. Pressing it again will unmute the volume. The Seek Track button works differently, depending on the audio source and the way it is pressed. If you are listening to FM, AM, or Sirius XM radio, toggling the button down or up selects the next or previous preset station, respectively. Toggling and holding the button for a second, then releasing, will cause it to search for stations. If you are listening to digital media, pressing the button down or up selects the next or previous track, file, or chapter, depending on the media. Pressing and holding the button will cause it to fast forward or rewind the current media, but only if it is in USB mode. The mode button, when pressed briefly, changes the audio source. When it is pressed and held, it moves to the mode button steering wheel settings screen. Here, you can select the audio sources that the mode button will change through. The custom button activates a feature of your choosing. For more on this, see the custom button video. The Bluetooth phone button allows you to answer and end incoming calls. The voice recognition button has several functions. For more on this, see the Genesis Connected Services video. The LCD display control button and control switch are used to control the LCD display in the instrument cluster. The analog instrument cluster and digital instrument cluster videos provide details on these. The Lane Driving Assist button activates and deactivates the Lane Keeping Assist, Lane Following Assist, and Highway Lane Change Assist features. More on these features can be found in the Lane Driving Assist and Highway Lane Changing Assist videos. The remaining buttons are all used with the Smart Cruise Control feature. This system is fully explored in the Smart Cruise Control series of videos. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.